You can spend a lot of time with a guy who still lives in his mom's basement. But if you want a relationship with a man who's busy, someone who's constantly juggling priorities, then you need a different playbook. And in this short video, I'm going to share 3 simple strategies that make all the difference when you're with a busy man. Rule number 1, reduce distractions when you're together. Busy people are pulled in every direction, so when you finally get time together, make that time count. Limit distractions from other people, from electronics, and even from competing priorities. Create what I call micro-traditions. These are small, easy routines that help you connect. Maybe it's dinner every Thursday at 6 p.m. Nothing fancy, just a standing date. That way, he doesn't have to think or plan. Busy men love that kind of structure. Rule number 2, don't bid for his time, own his time. When you have a micro-tradition, you're not competing for his attention anymore. You own a part of his week. For example, that Thursday night dinner is yours. No other woman, no work project, no social event can sneak into that slot. You've built a rhythm, a pattern. And in a busy man's world, that's gold. Rule number 3, consult, don't sell. Here's where most women go wrong. They try to sell him on the idea of spending time together. But you don't need to do that. Instead, take a consultative approach. Ask questions. Get curious about what it's like for him to balance his demanding schedule. And once he opens up, suggest something that makes life easier, like a simple recurring date night. You're not pushing for time. You're offering a solution. You're helping him see that being with you doesn't add stress, it actually removes it. And finally, if a man still won't make time for you, he's choosing not to. Everyone's busy, but people make time for what they value. And at the end of the day, you deserve someone who makes space for you in his life, not just someone who says he wishes he could. Let me know what you think. Does a busy man deserve your time? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And please take a moment to like and subscribe. It may seem small, but it makes a huge difference. Also, you can find the link in the description, which references my full article on this topic.